Dr. Apratim Goel from Cuties in Mumbai. We are starting an initiative called Medically Beautiful, where we are getting experts on board to connect with our viewers, our Insta fans and our clients, and to solve some of their common queries related to skin, because skin is not just an external organ, it is affected by a lot of medical problems inside. So we have chosen handpicked experts from the industry. On 20th April, Monday, we will have Dr. Pradeep Sethi and Dr. Arika Bansal, who are practicing in Mumbai and Delhi. They are hair transplant surgeons. Their Insta handle to be followed is Eugenics Hair Sciences, and they will be solving all your queries or doubts which you have about who should go in for transplant, what can hair transplant do, what it cannot do. On 21st April, Tuesday, we have a very special guest, Dr. Raman Goel, who is a bariatric surgeon in Mumbai, and he has 30 years of experience, and he's kind of shrunk who's who. So we would like to know that when somebody is dealing with obesity या बहुत ज़्यादा मोटे हैं तो क्या कर सकते हैं. तो यहाँ we will have Raman Goel doctor with us. And then the wonderful Wednesday on 22nd April, where we will have a very special friend and guest, Dr. Rajat Gupta. He is a cosmetic plastic surgeon practicing in Delhi who has 10 years of experience, and he will be talking more about liposuction, blepharoplasty, rhinoplasty और आपकी कोई भी जो surgical queries हो, आप लोग जो surgery consider कर रहे हैं लेकिन नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, तो we will have Dr. Rajat Gupta with us. It's time to look into the body and क्या प्रॉब्लम्स बॉडी के अंदर हैं, और इसके लिए हमारे ऑन बोर्ड आ रहे हैं डॉक्टर संजय रेड्डी, हु इज़ अ फिजिशियन फ्रॉम बैंगलोर. एंड आपकी जो भी क्वेरीज हैं रिगार्डिंग PCOS या थायराइड या डायबिटीज, वी विल चैट विद डॉक्टर संजय रेड्डी. Our next guest on Friday at 4 o'clock will be Dr. Rashi Khatri, and she practices in Mumbai. She is a pain management doctor and one of the best I have seen so far. I myself went to her for my pain, and for those of you who have headaches, neck ache, I think she's the doctor for us. And we'll end the week with the very special and beautiful guest, Dr. Anjali Huda, who has been practicing since last 18 years in Delhi. She's a nutrition expert, functional medicine expert and internal medicine. And with Dr. Anjali, we will take a lot of queries on diet and nutrition.